Today's practical is determination of surface tension of acetone. The aim of the experiment is to determine the surface tension of the given sample of acetone by using Ostwald's stalagmometer. The apparatus required are Ostwald's stalagmometer, specific gravity bottle, beakers, electronic balance, density bottle, tripod stand, etc. The chemicals required are acetone, ethyl alcohol, and distilled water. The different chemicals are to be taken are distilled water, acetone, ethyl alcohol, and different equipments to be taken are tripod stand, 3 beakers containing distilled water, acetone, and ethyl alcohol. Then specific gravity bottle. This is the specific gravity bottle, and this is the Ostwald's stalagmometer. On the top there is a tube, and in the middle portion one bulb is there. During the practical, the chemicals are shocked up to this mark, and then from this point to this point the drop counted will be measured, and here there is a capillary tube is there, and in the last and the end portion is a flat surface where the drops were formed. Then the electronic balance are taken to weigh the specific gravity bottle. Now the procedure are, at first you have to take the Ostwald's stalagmometer and fit it on the tripod stand, and a beaker containing distilled water is taken and shock the chemical up to this mark. Shock the chemical up to this mark. Now the distilled water was shocked. Now leave the distilled water from this point on. From this point to this point, and the drop counted are measured from this point to this point. The drop counted are measured for distilled water. Now the drop were counted for distilled water. Again for acetone the procedure was similarly taken. For acetone, this is the acetone. So now you have to shock the acetone and perform the experiment. And next, this is the ethyl alcohol. So 3 experiments were done by taking distilled water, acetone, and ethyl alcohol. Now this is the specific gravity bottle. The specific gravity of acetone and ethyl alcohol were determined by weighing the empty specific gravity bottle. Next, the distilled water were filled into the specific gravity bottle. And it was poured, it was wiped with a filter paper, and again this was taken into the balance and weight. Next, the acetone was taken into the special gravity bottle and again weighed properly. Then the ethyl alcohol was poured into the special gravity bottle and again weighed. And at last, the surface tension of acetone and ethyl alcohol were determined by following the calculation. The calculations were followed from the lab manual, that is, at first tabulation for water, acetone, observations, drop count at mean, then calculations, weight of the empty SG bottle were taken, then W1, weight of water, that is W2, weight of acetone, that is W3, then now the density of acetone, ρ2, were determined by following this calculation, that is W3 minus W1 by W2 minus W1 into ρ1. Then surface tension of acetone gamma 2 was determined by following this formula, it is N1 ρ2 by N2 ρ1 into gamma 1. The N1 is drop counted, gamma 2 and gamma 2 is the surface tension, gamma 1 is the surface tension of water, ρ2 is the surface tension of acetone, ρ1 is the surface tension of ρ2 is the density of acetone and ρ1 is the density of water. At last, the surface tension of acetone was determined by taking the unit in dyne per centimeter. In this way, the next experiment observation will be taken from the lab manual, that is liquid, that is water, ethyl alcohol, observations 1, 2, 3, drop counted, mean, then calculations, and the calculation is same, the density of water, rho gamma 1, then weight of empty HG bottle, weight of empty FG12 plus water, weight of empty HG bottle plus ethyl alcohol, then the density of alcohol is determined by taking this formula, ρ2 is equal to W3 minus W1 by W2 minus W1 into ρ1. Then surface tension of alcohol gamma 2 is determined by taking this formula, N1 ρ2 by N2 ρ1 into gamma 1. N1, N2 are the drop counted, ρ2, ρ1 are the density of ethyl alcohol. Gamma 1 and gamma 2 are the surface tension of water and the sample. At last, the surface tension of alcohol was determined and the unit of surface tension is dyne per centimeter. Then the conclusion will be written for both the experiments. Okay.